So next up is Cytimmune. Cytimmune uses immune system molecules and proprietary nanoparticles to offer safer, more effective combination therapies to treat solid tumor cancers. Their IO Plus platform enables simultaneous destruction of tumor support structures, killing of cancer cells, and activation of anti-cancer immune response. Please welcome President David Oarr.
All right, thanks everybody. Just give me a second. I had a small problem here. All right, Cytimmune is an oncology company. We are pioneering the use of cytokines, which are immune system molecules for the treatment of solid tumor cancers. The problem with solid tumor cancers are threefold. First, toxic therapies are how you treat tumors. And so the problem with toxic therapies is that you can't give enough of them. And if you want to use them in combination, which is how we know we can ultimately affect solid tumor cancers, it's difficult to do because of the toxicity to the patient. The other issue is that the tumors themselves are extraordinarily hard to get therapies into. So they're veritably impenetrable. And then cancers tend to be highly immunosuppressive. So Cytimmune has come up with a pan-solid tumor solution to address all three of these challenges at once. We have what we call a cytokine-powered nanoparticle. So cytokines are able to crack open solid tumors so that therapies can get inside. They're able to stimulate a really strong anti-cancer immune response, and they work in combinations, which is how the immune system works. Nanoparticles are really good at targeting drugs to tumors. They can deliver really high doses of therapies safely, and you can deliver anything from cytokines to small molecule chemotherapies to biologics. The problem is that cytokines are too toxic and nanoparticles can't penetrate into tumors because of their size. So we took a cytokine that opens up a solid tumor and we put it onto a nanoparticle, and that gave us a platform that enables us to build nearly any combination of therapeutics, deliver them safely and systemically to any solid tumor anywhere in the body. The market is huge. There's over 1 million advanced cases of solid tumor cancers in the US with over a $400 billion projected revenue for therapeutics by 2027. The competition is also significant. We're tracking 22 companies. The good news is that we're very novel and unique in the space. We have all the patents that we need to protect our platform. We've already done a phase 1. Most of our competitors are either early stage preclinical or phase 1. So we've already proven in man that we can dose more than 4 times the previous highest amount of a cytokine, and we can do it safely. We've indicated in man that we can do targeted delivery of the nanoparticles. And more importantly, what differentiates us is that we've shown the ability to deliver combination therapy safely in a way that none of our competitors are even trying. They're all still trying to deliver a single agent. We've been around doing this for a little while, so we've done all the things that you need to do to get to this point. We've built a layered patent strategy and a regulatory strategy with experts who make sure that we're protected from generics and other competitors. We've partnered with federal agencies like NIST, the FDA, NCL, NCI, and we've got multiple publications, so we're validated by our peers. And we have a tremendous and robust pipeline with multiple IOs, chemotherapies, and precision drugs all delivered on our nanoparticles in a safer, more effective way. And as I said, we've already completed a phase 1 pilot study showing that this works in people. And the NCI has actually agreed to fund and run our phase 2 clinical trials in multiple cancers. The team here at Cytimmune starts with Giulio Pacciotti. He is our CSO and founder. And Giulio has over 20 years creating nanomedicines and getting them into the clinic. And the team itself has over 100 years of biotech, biopharma experience. As I'm sure you know, the way you get out of a biotech investment is through either an IPO or a sale of the company typically. So our first opportunity is going to come in the 2024-2025 timeframe when we start to get data from that NCI study. And then again in 26-27, we should have both phase 1 data from our second asset as well as phase 2 data from the completed NCI study. The company has garnered over $30 million of investment through a combination of direct equity investments, as well as grants and in-kind services from the federal government. And we're asking currently for about $10 million to do drug manufacturing, clinical activities, and also partnering activities, because we think pharmaceutical companies are going to be very interested in taking their difficult to deliver drugs and put them on our platform. And I look forward to talking to you in the breakout room.